What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a black owned foundation routine for you featuring Bakerie. I've heard of them for a while now, but I just never got around to using any of their products, mainly because I really went on a 1 year hiatus from makeup. Like, I wasn't wearing it, I wasn't purchasing it. So yeah, and I recently just got rid of 75% of all the makeup that I have. Yeah, that's a different video for another day. But I felt like I didn't really have a reason to purchase it. But being now that I don't have as much makeup as I used to, I felt like it was necessary, and also to support the Black Lives Matter movement and, you know, invest in black businesses, because it's only right. Like, I'm not giving my coins to people who do not care about myself and those who are like me. So yeah. But I have used the setting spray prior to this video. I do like it. Funny story, I accidentally sprayed it in my nose. So that wasn't pleasant, but overall I love this product. It's pretty cool. And yeah, so, and the only products that I'll be using that are not by Bakerie are Juvias Place Highlight and also the Black Radiance Contour Kit. So those are some staple things in my collection that were already black owned that I like using personally 24/7. Those are the only things I've been using for a long time now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this tutorial. My brows are already done. My eyes are already done. Not a huge fan of how they turned out, but it is what it is. You know, we're here now. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started with that, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into this tutorial. I'm gonna start off by using the Bakerie Insta Bake Aqua Glass Foundation, and this is in the shade N, or 319N, and I'm kind of curious to see what it looks like, because it looks like this could be my shade literally in the bottle, like perfect. It's like a caramel shade. It has those olive undertones, but I also see a tiny bit of red in there. So I'm a little nervous because I also purchased Juvias Palace foundation not too long ago, and it's extremely red. So I'm just like, I can't. It's too much, but I still kept it because I can like finesse it with powder and setting powder and concealer and all that, so it's not really that much of an issue. So yeah, my face is already moisturized, clean, prepped, ready to go. I did not put on a primer. I've never really worn primers as I've done my makeup. Probably something I need to start doing, but yeah, she ain't been doing it. So anyway, on to the next. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you a swatch of what it looks like on my hand, and then we'll get into the tutorial. There we go. So this is what it looks like on my hand. So it definitely looks pretty light, but we will see what happens. I'm gonna take my Real Techniques beauty blending brush, whatever. This really ain't about them. This is about black owned. Not too shabby, actually. It's actually spot on with my face. Like, that's, wow. Okay. It has like a paint smell to it. So that's, I just squirted out 2 more pumps, so we're on technically 3 pumps. So I'm gonna start on the other side of my face as well. And yeah, my face is in shambles right now. It's actually getting much better. My acne has been on 3,000. If you watch my previous videos, which I will link down below, I had to get on birth control for health concerns and reasons, and that really ate my face up. Like, it really like tore my face up. And just not eating healthy was another main reason. So I stopped taking the birth control, and I also am like eating a little bit cleaner and, you know, drinking a little bit cleaner, because dark sodas are not good for you. And that's the main pitfall of my skin falling to pieces. It's the dark soda. Okay, so I have the foundation to my liking. blended it up into my hairline a little bit, trying to give it some space, and you know, because I don't want to get it in my hair. Now I'm going to go in with the INSTA concealer, and this is in the shade 004 called Baking My Heart, which I thought was really, really cool and cute, you know, whatever. So I'm gonna swatch that for you as well so you can get a chance to see what it looks like. I'm thinking this may be too dark. So this is what it looks like on my wrist. My hand. Okay, so yeah, this is extremely red. This is not my shade. So yeah, unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to use this. Yeah, I thought wrong. I thought my shade was, because it looked in the tube, it kind of looks like it would be my shade. But now when I compare this to my Fenty concealer, I could definitely see a difference. And yeah, that's not going to work for me. It kind of looks the same on camera, kind of, but yeah. Basically, we're gonna conceal with instead I'm going to use my Fenty concealer. It is black owned, so it still counts. So yeah, we're just gonna use what we have. All right, now I'm going to set everything with the Plantain Caramel Flower Setting Powder. I'm going to take that and set this under my eye. So my face is currently set with the baking powder. Now I'm gonna go ahead and contour with my Black Radiance contour kit, and I'll be using the contour shade. It's like a deep brown color. You definitely want to be as light-handed as possible with contour, because you can do some damage. Even though it comes off looking a little strong, we can fix that in the end. I like to go over with setting powder, and that's that. Also, I'm wondering, do I want to do bronzer today? But I'm gonna go ahead and dust off this powder first. So I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and just dust off this excess powder. So now I think I'm gonna go ahead and bronze. I'm using the Soft Focus Black Radiance powder in the shade Creamy Bronze Finish. And y'all have had this for years. I probably need to just get a new one. Truly, honestly. And I'm just gonna use this as a substitute for blush because I'm really not a blush gal. I like bronzer, so that's what I use. So. See, it does a little nice, you know, a little nice bring a little color back to the face, you know. All right, so that's that. That's how we're looking. Last but not least, we're going to set everything with the Setting Flower Better Not Bitter by Bakerie, and I'm using it in the shade Almond. Normally I would use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder. That's the only other setting powder that I do use, but black owned, so that's what we use it. But before I do that, I like to, I don't know, I think I learned this trick at a MAC counter. One time she was putting that same powder on me, just like as a foundation on its own, but I never really use it like that. But anyway, so she set my face first with like a setting spray or mist, and then she put it on, and I saw how beautifully applied. So ever since I kind of like remembered that, I've been doing that. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna spray my face first with the Beauty Bakerie baking spray. They call it baking spray, but setting spray. The thing that I messed up with is I sprayed it way too close to my face. Like I could do that with my Mario Badescu spray, but not with this. So I'm gonna back it up. Like so, because whew, baby, last time it was a full-blown tragedy. Okay, and so she did like a little circular motion, little dust, you know, dust it on like so. And I'm gonna just be real light and careful with it because we don't want it to take away all the goodness that we've done. So this is just to blend everything together. So it gives me a nice little even finish. This shade is a lot more red and darker compared to the foundation, which kind of helps because from what I could tell on the camera that everything is kind of like blending together smoothly. You know, but sometimes I always try to get that match between my face and my neck, and it looks just a tinge lighter. But you know, that's okay because it's not as red, and that's what I really do not like. And you know, that's an easy fix for me. I could just simply just throw some contour down there, which I probably will. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little light contour around the perimeter of my face, well, on my jawline to give it that snatch face, you know, and then also bring a little blending to it. So yeah, whenever you run into an issue like that, just kind of drag some contour down there, you know, to be real light. The only thing about the powder that I don't like, and it could just be my eyes because my eyes are super tricky. I'm seeing a lot of creasing, but that could just be the concealer and all that, you know. I could never win with my crease lines, so I don't fight them. It is what it is. So I'm taking my Juvias Place highlight in the shade Nubia. It's the loose highlighter. And I'm also gonna do another spray. That's how you get that real dewy look. So brace myself. Here we go. You have to be very light-handed with this stuff because so yeah, now I'm gonna finish everything else and come back to you.